What most people do not understand when they're trying to manifest an ex back or a new SP is that the manifestation is an unfolding. Babe, to go from absolutely no contact to hearing, I cannot live without you, I miss you every single day, and I have not been able to date anyone since we broke up, like my client just did, required an unfolding. It is not a one movie scene. It is a movie that has many different scenes, but most people get lost in the scenes thinking that it is the end of the movie when they get something that they don't want. Learning to manage the fear, the worry, the doubt, the insecurity that comes along throughout the process of manifesting is key. And most people get stuck here. If you just think that the manifestation is applying a manifestation tool and that's it, and nothing's happening, nothing's shifting because you should see a result right away, then you're only getting half of the picture, love. And you don't understand how manifestation truly works. Manifestation simply means creating from your beliefs and thoughts. Whatever you believe about yourself, about your relationships, about love is being manifested in your relationship. We have a ton of different beliefs. Changing those beliefs is not like a switch where all of a sudden you're going to have a whole set of new beliefs that are going to create a new manifestation. It requires an unfolding where you see progress in your manifestation. If you're not seeing progress, it is because you are not understanding how manifestation actually works. And you're getting stuck in all of the crap that is saying just apply this one tool and all of a sudden you should see a shift in your 3D and he should come and text you an apology or should come knocking at your door. That is not how it works, my love. It is a process, and if you want to learn how to manifest the right way, go ahead and check out the links in my bio. You can 100% learn to shift this.